Hi guys, today I want to introduce my new book, Watercolor Floral Fashion Illustration. So you start off by drawing simple flowers, and then they get transformed into fashion ladies. There are step-by-step instructions which progressively get more and more detailed as you paint each layer and as you add details with markers and with pens. There is also what supplies you might need. I prefer using watercolors, and I also prefer brush markers of different colors, and I also love using different pens. There are specific flowers in this book that you can get inspired by, and you also can take artistic license, creative license, and come up with your own flowers. What flower is your favorite? Maybe you like roses, so you can start with a rose and you can add elements of fashion like a face and a body in very simple lines, as you can see here. It doesn't have to be detailed, it doesn't have to be too complex. See, just a simple flower shape and bam, it becomes a really fun fashion outfit. Another point of this book is not to bore you with long, wordy instructions. I know for myself, I do not like reading very long instructions in art manuals, so I figured there's some people out there that might not enjoy it either. So you won't see paragraphs upon paragraphs of instruction with very little illustrations. On the other hand, in my books, there's always plenty of illustrations and very few instructional words, which sometimes are even superfluous because you can see what I'm doing in the illustrations, which I hope is easy to see. They're almost like videos but printed, because I know a lot of people still want to hold on to a tangible book. They enjoy leafing through the pages. They like something to quickly, a visual guide to quickly jump to. So this is what my books are good for. They're a combination of a visual instruction and also something easy to follow, something that you can go back to anytime. And this is a book 5 of my collection, but my watercolor series feature 4 other books which deal with different fashion illustration tips and illustrations of locations, how to draw perspectives and streets, which is something good to learn, maybe for a more advanced illustrator or a person who wants to learn fashion illustration, people illustration. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them under the video. And also this book is available on Amazon, and it's also available on other websites. It's up to you where you shop. So I see you in the next one. Bye.